J.D. DeLay is wrong about Wes Watson, okay? Wes Watson is going to do fine in the Florida Department of Corrections. He is going to do fine, okay? And I'm somebody that's been in the Florida Department of Corrections somewhat recently, and I can tell you, I was at the Administrative Management Unit, AMU. I did much rougher time than J.D. DeLay, okay? I got a much better yard card than him. Wes Watson will do fine in Florida Department of Corrections. Oh, but he's a woman beater. Ugh. I got news for you guys. Florida Department of Corrections it's a prison system. It is full of criminals, okay? It is full of people with domestic violence charges. Many gang members have domestic violence charges. If you're a big, strong, rich white guy with swastika tattoos that knows how to fight, you're gonna do fine in the Florida Department of Corrections. That is the reality. He is not a chomo, okay? So he's not a chomo. He's not a rapist. None of that crap, okay? Because he's not any of those things, okay? He'll do fine. He's got money. He's big. He's strong. He's famous. There is absolutely nobody in there that has any beef with him, okay? And I know, I talk to people, okay? Nobody in the Florida Department of Corrections has any beef with him, and they're very excited to have him in there to do business with him. And Unforgiven has even talked about bringing him home. Unforgiven is the white prison gang in the Florida Department of Corrections. They've even had discussions about potentially bringing him home. This would be a very big opportunity for the Unforgiven prison gang. Why? Because he's famous. He's a Peckerwood famous white guy that's rich, and this is very good brand opportunity for a white prison gang. White prison gangs will be itching to recruit Wes Watson. It doesn't matter the fact that he hit a woman. That does not matter. I'm telling you, it does not matter in there. If he was a weak, skinny, normal white guy, it would matter. Because if he's frail and doesn't know how to fight, oh, you like to beat up women, huh? But because he beats up men too, I'm telling you, the guys in there won't care. These are not super moral, pure people in prison, okay? These are criminals, bro. These people are criminals. They like making money. They like selling dope. They like extorting people. They like violence, okay? A grown-ass woman getting beat up by a guy does not offend them that much. You guys think these people are these saintly people in here. We don't like woman beaters. And you're right. They don't like woman beaters, but they're willing to overlook it when they got somebody like Wes. I'm 100% sure of this. These people in Florida Department of Corrections, they will not care that Wes is a woman beater. That is irrelevant because he's not a snitch and he's not a child molester. He's got tons of money and he's a famous Peckerwood. Those things right there, he'll do fine in Florida Department of Corrections. I'm not saying this as a moral endorsement of Wes Watson. I think what he did was terrible. I think what Wes Watson did was totally terrible. But he will do just fine in there. That is the truth. I know it doesn't tickle the fancy of all these people like would like to see him get beat up in there or whatever because he's a woman beater. That's not how this works. I'm just being honest. I'm telling you as a guy that spent a lot of time in Florida Department of Corrections. The truth is, Wes Watson is in his element in prison. This guy is institutionalized. This guy will do fine in there. He will do great in there. I'm just being honest with you. And I know this isn't what you guys want to hear, but this man will do better in prison than he did out here. By prison standards. By prison standards, he will do better in prison than I could. Wes Watson will do better in prison than I could. He'd do better in prison than most people could because that is his element. That is Wes Watson's element. That is his place, and truly part of Wes deep down inside feels relieved that he's going back to prison. I know that sounds crazy and I know a lot of you don't believe me. Part of him is relieved because it's like this is finally over and he knows how to do prison. He knows prison more than he knows how to function out here. I know this is not going to please everybody. I'm not here to please you, okay? I'm here to tell you the truth. I'm not like J.D. DeLay just making shit up. I'm here to tell you the truth about prison. Wes Watson is going to do just fine in the Florida Department of Corrections. He is. I've seen plenty of people just like him in there, and they were doing great. They were doing great in there. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all the YouTube-y shit. Anyways, I sell this stuff here, this camouflage shirts. I sell camouflage patterns that you literally can't get anywhere else, okay? Really cool stuff, check it out. And this is high quality rash guard material. This is way better than the crap they sell at Walmart. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Jordan Jareb, signing off.